Just got another sale and made a quick flip. I love this business.
Whatever it takes, 'cause I love the adrenaline in my veins. I do whatever it takes.
Here we go.
See myself to me.
Here we go.
Pawn shop location.
Shine bright like a diamond. Shine bright like a diamond. Shining bright like a diamond. Beautiful like diamonds in the sky. Shine bright like a diamond.
And now it's time for me to head over and check out my soda and snack machine and see what they're doing. What's going on, everybody? I'm just getting to my location over here. And we're going in. Check out the soda machine and snack machine from my first full line. Let's see what we have over here. They're telling me that the ruffles are empty, so I'm gonna fill them up. I know they like those, but we're gonna see what we got going on in the soda machine, being how we still don't have the bill collector. Okay, let's see. Okay, we're still pretty full. Pop that top open. See what we got going on here. Okay, that's a good sign. So all the coin slots are full. And what we have here. Okay, we got a nice little collection in there, considering we still don't have the bill changer or the bill acceptor, but it's on the way. Let's see what we got going on over here. Okay. Oh, you put the ruffles in already?
We knew you was coming. We'd have baked the cake. That's the matter with you.
Okay, good. We gotta fill one more slot right here.
Opening eyes to the lies, history's told foul, but I'm as wise as the old owl. Plus the gold child, seeing things like I was controlling, click rolling, tricking 6 digits on kicks and still holding.
It's foreign. So we riding out, listen to this. How many of y'all like Spanish music? Y'all give me a comment down below if y'all like Spanish music. That way I can add more Spanish music into my videos. That's how you gotta drive right now. Despacito. Real slow.
Here I go again on my own. Going down the only road I've ever known.
Just got another sale and made a quick flip. I love this business.
Whatever it takes, 'cause I love the adrenaline in my veins. I do whatever it takes, 'cause I love how it feels when I break the chain.
Okay, you can have the key, you know, in case you ever wanted.
Where do I buy the food for this shit?
Where do you get it? You can go to Sam's, Walmart.
Where you get your
Okay, I just finished washing them off and time to repaint them and get them refurbished. These are double head gumball stands.
Okay, we're out here at my homeboy's barbershop, Empire Barbershop, where he just purchased 2 candy gumball machines. Come check them out. Empire Barbershop, one of the best barbers in town.
I might be too strung out on compliments, overdosed on confidence, started not to give a fuck and stop fearing the consequence. Drinking every night because we drink to my accomplishments. Faded way too long, I'm floating in and out of consciousness.
You got 6 chairs, so you got more. This right here, put gum, Skittles, M&M's, Reese's Pieces, M&M's, or run something like, you know, change them up. But you know, that way you got people with different selections.
Some people they are ready to meet at the store. You need to have a dinner in the store.
Yeah.
There's no easy way out. There's no shortcut home. There's no easy way out.
Well, another satisfied customer. He bought not only 1, but 2 double head gumball machines that he's placing in his barber shop. And selling refurbished vending machines is just another good way to make some extra money in this business. If you like the video, Hulk smash the thumbs up button, hit the subscribe button so you can get instant notifications every time I make a new video.
All right, bro.
Thank you.
Definitely.
Thank you for your service.
Yeah, y'all have a good one.